So to put on the Ponseti AFOs, you're first going to identify which one is the right foot and which one is the left foot. The buckles of the Ponseti go on the inside of each foot. If you forget that what size it is or what right left, it also is marked on the tag as size left 00. So this is our left boot. You're going to take the child's foot and put it in a position of 90 degrees, and then holding the boot, you're going to set their foot into the brace. You can hold their foot into the brace by putting your fingers on the underside of the boot and your thumb across the instep. You're going to take the tongue across and then take your center strap and pull it back through the buckle. It's easiest to go to a point that's simple to get to, and the child should now be in the boot. You can now go back and tighten the brace to the point where the strap is marked. You then can tighten the top and the bottom to a point that is comfortable and removes the slack from the strap.
You can see in this child, his brace is a little small. It's okay for the toes to hang over the edge of the brace slightly, but his toes are a little bit past where we like to see them, and he's ready for the next size of brace. The other thing that's important is to make sure that the heel is visible in the little hole in the back of the brace. Even if only half of the heel is visible in the hole in the back of the shoe, that's perfectly fine.
You can repeat the same process on the other side, putting their foot into the brace, holding the back of the brace with your fingers and across the instep of the foot with the thumb, pulling the tongue across and the strap through the buckle to a point that is easily gotten to. You may need to pull the tongue across to flatten and smooth everything out, and then go to the tighter hole which was marked during your fitting, and then the top and the bottom straps. Once both boots are on, you can take the bar and clip it in to the back of the shoe. To take off the braces, it's easiest to undo all your buckles, and then you have one object that you're holding on to, and then remove the bar once it's off the child.
This picture demonstrates a child who is wearing a brace that is the appropriate size. You can see there is some extra space for the toes to grow. Even if the toes stick out a little bit more and hang slightly over the edge of the shoe, that's acceptable. Once the child can almost curl their toes over the edge of the brace, they will need new shoes. You should never need to adjust the settings on the bar. Shoes are adjusted to rotate slightly outward on the non-clubfoot side, quite a bit outward on the clubfoot side, and the bar should be shoulder width apart. If needed, we can adjust the brace during your clinic visits.